So this is my favorite way to start seeds for my small home garden. I get these condiment cups. They have lids. They're nice and small and they're reusable. I label the bottoms of the cups with the seeds that I'm going to be putting in there. A lot of times I'm doing a bunch of different seeds at the same time. It keeps them all nice and separated and compact. I put in a small cut of a paper towel into the bottom of the seed cups, and then I spray that down with water from a spray bottle. Just enough water to wet the paper towel. You don't want standing water into the cup. So on the left side, I am sprinkling out my tomato seeds, just trying to make sure they're not all touching or overlapping each other. Just give them enough space to germinate. And then on the right side, I'm doing my green pepper seeds and spreading those out the same way. Another reason why I like this method is, have you ever planted your seeds in your cups, and each day you go and check and you're wondering, are they germinated or not, and you kind of dig around in there. This way I can see the seeds every day and know if they're germinating or not. So I spray the seeds again with some water, cover them with a lid, and then I'm going to move them over to my heating mat. A heating mat is not required, but I do like to use it for pepper seeds. It seems to help them to germinate a little faster. So I put them in the tray, and then I cover them up just to keep a little more warmth in there, and then I wait. So this is after 7 days, the pepper seeds started germinating. The tomato seeds actually started germinating after about 3 days, really fast. So this is a video for the pepper seeds. You can see the little tiny white roots starting to come out. Not all of the seeds have germinated yet, but the ones that have, I consider those to be the strongest and the best seeds. So those are the ones I use right now. So I get my tweezers and get out the seeds that have the biggest root and put those into the dirt, into a little hole. You don't have to plant them very deep. You can do more than one seed if you want to, but I typically only do one seed because I know it's already germinated. Just lightly pat the seed down, and then I move them over under the lights. And always bottom water your seedlings, make sure they stay nice and wet. So I fill up the tray with, a half an inch of water or so, depending on how many cups you have in your tray. It'll soak all up, and then they're ready to go, and these should pop out of the soil soon. I'll give you updates. Thanks.